lowly sitting by night. To wit to woo, to wit to woo. Thy note that forth so freely rolls, with shrill command the mouse controls, and sings a dirge for dying souls. To wit to woo, to wit to woo.
I'm scared.
I thought you saw them.
I did. And then they moved.
Ah, well, they probably heard it. He's under the branch now walking.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, go. Okay. Poor bird, I do not envy thee, pleased in the gentle melody of thy own song. Let crabbed winter silence all the winged choir, he never shall chain up thy tongue. For, innocent, when I would please myself, I look on thee, and guess some sparks of that felicity, that self-content. Do you think he liked it?
He didn't leave, so I think so.
No, he's on the branch over there.
I know, he didn't leave. I think he liked
heard.
I think he liked this.
Is the video on both?
It's on both.
Distant cavern safe confined, and only gentle zephyr fans his wings, and lonely Philomel still waking sings, or from some tree famed for the owl's delight, she, howling clear, directs the wandering light. When curlews cry beneath the viewed walls, and to her straggling brood the partridge calls, their short-lived jubilee the creatures keep, which but endures whilst tired man does sleep. In such a night let me abroad remain, till morning breaks and all's confused again. Our cares, our toils, our clamors are renewed, or pleasure seldom reached, again pursued. You see that?
Yeah. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes.
In the distance. Well, I think he's listening. My heart aches, and a drowsy numbness pains my sense as though of hemlock I had drunk or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. So true. To the drains 1 minute passed, and leaf wards had sunk. 'Tis not through envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, light-winged dryad of the trees, in some melodious plot of beech and green and shadows numberless, singest of summer in full-throated ease. So true. Darkling, I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death, called him soft names in many amused rhyme, to take into the air my quiet breath. Now more than ever it seems rich to die, to cease upon the midnight with no pain, while thou art pouring forth thy soul abroad in such an ecstasy. Still wouldst thou sing, and I have ears in vain, to thy high requiem become a sod. This guy loves it.
He does.
Thou was not born for death, immortal bird. No hungry generations tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps the self-same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth when, sick for home, she stood in tears amid the alien corn. That same oft times hath charmed magic's casements, opening on the foam of perilous seas in fairylands forlorn. Dude, the crow's eating that up.
He loves it a lot.
be to God for dappled things, for skies of couple color as a brinded cow, for rose moles all in stipple upon trout that swim, fresh fire-cold chestnut falls, finches' wings, landscape plotted and pieced, fold, fallow, and plow, and all trades, their gear and tackle and trim. All things counter, original, spare, strained, whatever is fickle, freckled, who knows how? With swift, slow, sweet, sour, a dazzled drim, he fathers forth whose beauty is past change. Praise him. Can you see them on the phone?
Yeah.
Alright, they're gonna have to deliver this one to the Swan's Free. The trees are in their autumn beauty, the woodland paths are dry. Under the October twilight, the water mirrors a still sky. Upon the brimming water among the stones are 59 swans. I have looked upon those brilliant creatures, and now my heart is sore. All's changed since I, hearing at twilight, the first time on this shore, the bell beat of their wings above my head, trod with a lighter tread. Unwearied still, lover by lover, they paddle in the cold, companionable streams or climb the air. Their hearts have not grown old. Passion or conquest wander where they will, attend upon them still. But now they drift on the still water, mysterious, beautiful, among what rushes they will build, by what lake's edge or pool delight men's eyes when I wake someday to find they have flown away.
She did fly away.
I suppose that's also fitting.
It's not.
Everyone suddenly burst out singing, and I was filled with such a delight as prison birds must find in freedom, winging wildly across the white orchards and dark green fields, on, out of sight. You know, that was kind of fitting. Everyone's voice was suddenly lifted, and beauty came like the setting sun. My heart was shaking with tears, and horror drifted away. Oh, but everyone was a bird, and the song was wordless, the singing will never be done.
Do you like it?
I think it was.